In this video, I'll guide you through how to fill out Form 2210 in TurboTax. Whether you're tackling your taxes for the first time or you've done this before, understanding how to correctly fill out Form 2210 can save you time and help you avoid any underpayment penalties. Let's dive in and make this process as smooth as possible. First, let's get started by opening the TurboTax software on your computer. Once you're in, navigate to the top of the interface where you'll find the menu bar. Click on the section labeled Federal Taxes. This is your gateway to handling all things related to your federal tax obligations, including any forms you need to complete. After you've clicked on Federal Taxes, you'll see a few different tabs. You want to focus on the one labeled Other Tax Situations. This tab is where you'll find more specialized tax forms and options that are not covered in the more general sections. It's a handy feature for managing specific tax requirements, like Form 2210. Now, scroll down through the list of options presented to you until you come across additional tax bills. This section deals with any extra taxes you might owe beyond what you've already accounted for. It's crucial to ensure that you're aware of these so you don't get surprised by additional amounts later on. When you find additional tax bills, look for the option that says Start or Update next to Underpayment Penalties, which is associated with Form 2210. Click on this to begin the process of filling out the form. TurboTax will guide you through the steps required, but I'll walk you through the initial setup to give you a clearer picture of what to expect. As you're filling out the form, you'll need to enter some specific details. These details typically include information about your income, withholding amounts, and any estimated tax payments you've made throughout the year. Be sure to have these documents handy before you start. Having accurate information will make the process much smoother and help ensure you're calculating any potential penalties correctly. Once you've entered all the necessary details, TurboTax will offer you different methods to calculate your penalty. You'll need to choose the method that best fits your situation. The software typically provides helpful explanations and recommendations based on your entries, so take advantage of these resources to make an informed decision. Remember, the goal is to ensure you're not overpaying or underpaying your taxes. As you go through the process, take your time to review each section carefully. TurboTax is designed to catch any errors or inconsistencies, but it's always a good idea to double-check your entries. Mistakes can lead to incorrect calculations, which might result in unnecessary penalties or delays in processing your tax return. Remember, if you ever feel unsure or need further clarification, TurboTax offers additional help and resources. You can access these by looking for help icons or links within the software. Additionally, if you prefer speaking with someone directly, TurboTax provides customer support that can assist you with more complex questions or technical issues. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to successfully filling out Form 2210 in TurboTax. This not only helps you stay on top of your tax obligations, but also ensures you're handling your finances responsibly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made your tax preparation a little easier. If you found this video helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit from it. Good luck, and happy tax filing!